So hello friends, welcome to Ankush Experiments YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you that how to make avatars using Facebook. After making this, you can give the status or you can set it as your profile picture in Facebook or you can put it as your story in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or you can share to your friends or you can share anywhere and enjoy the moments and make a fun with your friends. Please share the video as much as possible to your friends that they can know the features of the Facebook and can enjoy these things. So let's start. So at first you need to download the original Facebook app, not Facebook Live. So after installing, open it and you can see at the right corner, top of the right corner, you can see the three line. Press it and scroll down and you can see a option see more. Click on it and you can see avatars option. Click on it. Here you can select the skin tone. I am choosing this and you can customize. I am choosing this hairstyle. Then you can give your hairstyle color. So I am giving this. You can change the face shape. You can do with this many more. So you can change the eyebrows. You will get many options in here. You can select the pose from here. The stickers are loading and you can choose from here. Many poses you will get. you can share with Facebook or many more. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like the video and share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.